Hey girl, what's up? Welcome and welcome back to my channel. We are going to be talking about the new reformulated Giorgio Armani foundation. I am doing a comparison for you today, so if you want to hear my thoughts and see me test it out, then go ahead and keep on watching. So I have the original one. I'm going to do that on one side and I'm going to do the new one on the other side. This original one is actually in a more frosted glass bottle with type of top, and then of course the Giorgio Armani symbol. But on the packaging it says Luminous Silk Foundation. For the original it does have a pump, and the original one I am in the shade 7.5. So when I went into Sephora, I swatched a few shades and I felt like anytime I went to the 7s, it was just too warm for my skin tone. And if you are new here, I have normal to dry skin, and my undertone is more of a neutral undertone, and that's what I like to stick with because I like to bronze and all those things. So when I went to the 7s, it just seemed a little bit too warm for me. So I did pick it up in the shade 6.8 and 6.5. So this is 6.5, this is 6.8, and this is my 7.5 in the original. So 6.5, 6.8, those two are the new ones, and then 7.5 in the original. Now, I do like that there are some new shades, and even based on the swatches, I feel like the new version of this is a little bit more lightweight, like liquidy, so you will. Like the formula is not as thick, but the original formula did not weigh down on the face. It was still a lightweight foundation. I just feel like it had more body. And I did wear this foundation out on Valentine's Day, and I'm like, it just seemed like it was a bit more drying, even with the normal skincare steps that I typically do. A little bit about the new one. It is a Silk Natural Glow Blurring Liquid Foundation with 24-hour wear. I'm gonna put the new one on the left and the old one on the right. I don't know, it's something about the Sephora stores that really, the lights, those lights will get you. But now that I'm seeing this 6.8, I feel like I could have gone with that 7. The 7 just seemed, the 7.5 in the store seemed so deep that I was like, whoa, this is just not my shade. I'm gonna take the sponge on this side, and I'm not gonna put any primer on. My face is moisturized with a gel-like consistency moisturizer as well as serum. And I'm not, like I said, I'm not going to put a primer on, so I can show you what it gives. It does have like a light fragrance to it, and I couldn't figure out what that was, and I'm really hoping that that's not what caused my face to be dry and break out down here. On Valentine's Day, my face just was itching, and I couldn't figure out what it was because I did test out a couple of products that day. I know you shouldn't test out products when you're going out for Valentine's Day, but I was so excited to play in my makeup that I couldn't figure out what it was around my mouth area, like on my chin and on the top of my lip, just was literally itching. And this does have a fragrance to it. Now that I'm sitting here and taking my time, it has a light fragrance. So if you're not into the fragrance, you may be put off by that, but it's not unbearable. So I'm gonna take the other side of the sponge and blend this side in. So back then, when I got this Giorgio Armani foundation, this was the range for medium tan skin. And I'm not gonna color correct down here like I typically would. We're just gonna keep it very minimal. I feel like it was fine the way that it was. They probably could have just came out with extension of shades. This is what it looks like with both on the skin. This side is the original in 7.5. This side is the new one in 6.8. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face and then come back with my final thoughts. All right, so I finished the face, and I still feel like the original just gives me more of that luminosity that I look for in foundations for my skin. This is the side, this is the new side, and this is the original. I don't know, I just feel like feel like the original is still iconic to me. Do I think it's worth you needing to buy it for I think it's $69? No. If you already have the original one, keep using the original one. And if you feel like you want to try it, then by all means, but I'm not going to get on here and tell you to go buy and splurge on a luxurious foundation that is pretty much doing similar things, just added a few ingredients to it. But if you feel like your original one, if you have it, does not have the right undertone that you need, I just feel like they pretty much are doing the same thing. Now for my skin, I just feel like the newer one, it doesn't give me that luminosity feel as the original did or does when you wear it throughout the day. Right now, I just set everything with the powders. And so that's probably why, you know, right now it looks like it's mattified because I haven't really worn it around. But when I wore it out and about, like I mentioned, I just felt like my skin was just dry. Like I had dry patches, and I do the same skincare routine. I didn't switch anything up. The only thing I did was try a new blush, which I'm wearing right now, and nothing of the like skin regimen changed. So let me know down below if you tried the new Giorgio Armani reformulated Luminous Silk Foundation in the comment section. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, love, peace, and beauty. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.